I'm just going to use my Pouncer sponges, press down and twist anywhere you want there to be a birdhouse hole. So I'm going to do 2 on the left one, I did 1 on the right, and in the middle I'll do a small one like that. So I used 3 different sizes. To give the illusion of depth, what you can do is take a detail brush with a little bit of white and then blend it in with black. So really just some gray around the left side. It looks like you're giving a C shape to the hole, but that's going to make it look like it goes inward a little bit and a little less flat.